Hi and welcome back to the A Taste of Danish YouTube channel. My name is Liam, and in this video I want to show you a very simple Christmas calendar that I have created. Let's do this! Okay, so I cannot take credit for making this, coming up with this idea, but I can take credit for the beautiful design. Basically, it is en julekalender. It's probably backwards for you, I don't know. Julekalender med aktiviteter. Aha! Christmas calendar with activities. So basically, on each day, I have given myself a little task slash activity that I'm gonna do. And I thought I could just share it with you guys, and maybe you also want to get on the Christmas calendar train and make your own. I won't go through all 24 of the activities, but I'll give you some examples. The first, send en julehilsen. Send en julehilsen. Send a Christmas greeting. Julehilsen. Which I have done already. I send a greeting to my family. Number two, or på den anden, on the second. Ring til en ven. Ring til en ven. Hi min ven. So tomorrow I'm going to be calling somebody. Let's go forward to den 8. Den 8. The 8th. Drik en julebryg. Drik en julebryg. Drink a Christmas brew. Oh, I look forward to this one. På den 13. On the 13th. Se en julefilm. Se en julefilm. Watch a Christmas movie. They're not all so superficial. There are some things that I'm doing for other people. For example, på den 12. På den 12. On the 12th. Gør nogen en hemmelig tjeneste. Gør nogen en hemmelig tjeneste. Do somebody a secret favor. So I'm going to do something for somebody, but I'm not going to tell them that I did it. I'm just going to hope that they enjoy it. På den 19. På den 19. On the 19th. Giv penge til nogen. Giv penge til nogen. Give money to someone. I'm not really looking forward to this one, but no. Give money to someone. I don't know yet who it's going to be. I'm going to take it on the day and see what happens. It could be that I just go out into the city and see if there's somebody hanging around that, you know, that maybe needs some money. Let's see. Let's take one or two more. On the 21st, på den 21. På den 21. Go live! Go live! I never went live before on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever it might be, so it's going to be a first. Let's see how it goes. I don't know what I will talk about yet. Let's see. Let's take one more. På den 5. På den 5. On the 5th. Syng en julesang på spansk. Syng en julesang på spansk. Sing a Christmas song in Spanish. Then on another day I have one in English, one in Danish, one in Swedish also. Yeah, so that is it. En julekalender med aktiviteter. Let me know if you make your own and tell me what you're going to put on yours. And glædelig jul. Vi ses.